Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about sTheorem. So that means we need to find the range of cosine 1 over x. So the range of this one, that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we multiply both sides by the absolute value of x. Next, we put the limit for the both sides. So we know that this limit in here, when s approach to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and we have number 0. When s approach to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and we have number 0. Because on the left and on the right we have same value number 0, that means this limit equals to number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.